Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Deepseek app weekly settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Deepseek. Then we click on first stop. Then this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter the storage. After that we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.